We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2. The most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
We bring you the Vinci Color, the world's first full-color FFF 3D printer. Powered by 3D color jet technology, the Vinci Color combines inkjet printing with fused filament fabrication to create full-color prints. The Vinci Color also has a robust 7.9 by 7.9 by 5.9 inch build size. With a hands-free auto-calibration system, motors move the knobs for you so you don't have to worry about calibration. And its easy removable print bed allows for easy print extraction. The activated carbon air filter ensures a clean workspace, and the final prints are completely water resistant. Produce prototypes in true color that are ready to be shown to executives and producers. Character designers to print out their favorite comic book, video games, or fantasy characters in their authentic shape and in full color. Or art designers to give their clients a glimpse of the final product by printing out scaled-down models of their artwork. Bring your creations to life in full color with the Vinci Color, the world's first full-color fused filament fabrication 3D printer.
Vinci Nano.
Inspire ingenuity, expand creativity, imagine new possibilities, and build the extraordinary with the new Pro2 series 3D printers from Raise3D, forged from the award-winning legacy of N2. The Pro2 boasts massive build volumes, so you can think bigger. Industrial-grade components for 24/7 reliability, ready to integrate print factories and build customized parts on demand. Electronic-driven dual extruders increase torque by 400% to feed a variety of spool sizes, with hot end temperatures capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius for diverse filament compatibility. Choose from premium material options for maximum usability, strength, and flexibility. The Raise3D Pro2 features state-of-the-art retracting nozzles that print complex mechanical parts and improve print speed. The 32-bit motion controller has best-in-class reliability, superior thermal performance, precise voltage control, and silky smooth movement. Experience unmatched layer resolution for superior part quality. Effortless, dependable, and accurate, the Pro2 comes standard with optical and stops, filament runout sensors with resume, live camera monitoring, and power loss with print resume for worry-free 3D printing. The HEPA air filtration system silently removes nanoparticles within a fully enclosed environment. An aerospace-grade high-temperature build plate system delivers even heat distribution to prevent print warping and is easy to remove and replace. Digitally interact, adjust, and control with the Pro2's onboard computer. Easily monitor print progress and fully customize on the fly through the large 7-inch touchscreen. Import, slice, and print with the powerful and easy-to-use IdeaMaker slicing software. Wirelessly connect to the Pro2 Series 3D printer to upload files and monitor print functions, or download files directly from USB or Ethernet ports. This is the new Pro2 series from Raise3D.
This is the Ultimaker 3, a professional yet accessible 3D printer with reliable dual extrusion, swappable print cores, and wireless control. Let's see what makes it the most industrial-grade desktop 3D printer available. The Ultimaker 3 has a large build volume, but fits conveniently on your desk. It comes with print cores for build and support materials. There's a customized nozzle geometry per material, which means reduced risk of clogging and a more reliable 3D printing experience. Its print core PCB ensures a more accurate temperature reading and superior print quality. The Ultimaker 3 can print at temperatures as high as 280 degrees Celsius. Fast print core changes mean higher uptime and easier maintenance. Print core LED lights intuitively notify you if any user interaction is required. For easy print removal or to clean the glass plate, simply open the clamps and remove the plate. Leveling the build plate is effortless. When you use it for the first time, simply set the right height by turning a knob while using the Ultimaker calibration card. After that, the Ultimaker 3's active leveling does it automatically. The capacitive sensor in the print head measures the distance between the build plate and the nozzle. When starting a print, the offset is compensated by adjusting the Z height in the first layers. This results in more accurate leveling, improved build plate adhesion, and optimized print quality. Pre-configured Cura profiles provide you with optimal print settings per material and intuitively recognize which print core and material you're using. Ultimaker's range of materials are formulated to achieve superior print results, and the open filament system lets you experiment with all kinds of additional materials. To bring your 3D model to life, you'll need to prepare it for print using Cura, our free slicer software. You can either stick with the preset or tinker with the advanced settings. Through standalone printing, you can print directly from your PC or laptop via Wi-Fi or LAN connection. Alternatively, you can load the G-code files on a USB drive that slots into the Ultimaker 3. The control panel lets you make any adjustments during the print. The Ultimaker 3 is the most reliable dual extrusion printer on the market. Combine two build materials for dual color 3D prints, or achieve state-of-the-art complexity with build and water-soluble support materials. This allows you to approach your design process in a completely new way and create astoundingly complex designs. Ultimaker 3's unique nozzle lifting system ensures that there's no nozzle collision while printing and no problematic oozing. The powerful geared feeders ensure more reliable results and superior print quality. The Ultimaker 3 features a build plate that's lighter and stiffer, which reduces vibrations and produces an unrivaled print quality. Thanks to the heated glass build plate, you can print using many different materials and with improved build plate adhesion. Ultimaker 3 has a powerful triple fan system. Featuring two new radial fans and fan shrouds, it creates greater pressure buildup for improved airflow. This means better cooling, high-quality bridging, faster print times, and smooth print surfaces. With the live camera, you can monitor every stage of your 3D printing project remotely, simply by connecting to Wi-Fi. The Ultimaker 3 has a large layer resolution range of up to 20 micron, which allows for remarkably detailed prints or super fast prototypes. Printing with PVA and PLA allows complex designs to be printed in place without any post-printing assembly. PVA can also be printed in dual extrusion with Ultimaker nylon, an engineering material that's ideal for exceptionally strong functional prototypes. Using two build materials, you can also create dual color prints for more realistic concept models. The Ultimaker 3 comes with free lifetime technical support and warranty, provided by certified support experts worldwide. When you put it all together, the Ultimaker 3 is the most industrial-grade desktop 3D printer on the market. With the Ultimaker 3, professional 3D printing is made accessible.